Top 8 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1, Plymouth Special Deluxe, 1950 year of issue. If you are someone who appreciates classic authenticity laced with powerful performance, then you owe it to yourself to check out this 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe 4-door sedan. This 4-door sedan features a strong, stately styling that is reminiscent of a simpler era. It is dressed in a beautiful blue and gray exterior that is complemented by an exceptionally clean blue interior. Powered by a 217 CI flathead engine that is mated with an automatic transmission, this charming Special Deluxe is eager to get out on the road for an enjoyable driving experience. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2, Rover Antique, 1965 year of issue. A 1965 Rover 2000 P6 sedan. White with a tan interior. 118,000 miles. 4-speed manual gearboxes. A good body, the paint shows well with some blemishes. Overall, a solid undercarriage with the exemption of some rust in the trunk area. Good glass all the way around. The seats were redone a few years ago. There are cracks on the dash, as you can see in the pictures. Comes with some manuals, new gaskets. Number 3, Chevrolet Bel Air, 1967 year of issue. 67 Chevy Bel Air wagon. One owner since 1967 before me. 283 small block V8. Power glide transmission, starts right up. Runs and drives very well, completely original all the way around. Hardly any rust in floor pans. Exterior shows a few smaller rust areas. All glass is excellent. Windows rolls up and down well. Doors open and close nicely. Have replacement title paperwork and bill of sale from the original owner. Number 4, Chevrolet Corvair Monza, 1962 year of issue. If you're looking for a fun and affordable classic, this might be just the car for you. This nice little 62 Corvair Monza is equipped with a 102 HP engine and Powerglide automatic transmission. The interior is very nice. The engine compartment and trunk are very tidy, and it even has new Maxxis radial tires. The paint is older and mediocre with chips, scratches, and some lacquer checking. However, the car looks great at 50 FT, and if you want to take the paint job to the next level, we can paint it for you. Number 5, Chevrolet C10, 1965 year of issue. 1965 Chevrolet C10 stepside. This recently discovered 1965 Chevrolet C10 stepside is offered in orange, combined with a black interior. Equipped with an automatic transmission, V8 engine, Rochester Quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, dual exhaust outlets, fender-mounted antenna, two-spoke steering wheel, wood bed, a very comfortable bench seat, manual crank windows, and steel wheels. As a project car, this Chevrolet C10 offers a unique opportunity to create a one-of-a-kind vehicle that reflects your personal style and taste. Number 6. Cadillac Sedan DeVille. 1967 year of issue. Replaced, repaired since December 2018. Radiator, starter, carburetor, electronic ignition, rear speakers, middle seat belts, vinyl top, timing chain in both gears, fan clutch distributor cap, wires and plugs. Recently replaced alternator, battery, service transmission. Rust at the bottom of the front fenders. AC compressor is cold, but the blower is not working. Heater core is bypassed and needs a repair. Runs and drives great, power windows, door locks, and power seat works. Number 7. Ford F-100, 1966 year of issue. 1966 Ford F-100, great running, 300 straight, 6 3-speed floor shift, 45 hash OP. New parts, gas tank, lines, fuel pump, carb, distributor, SS, spark plugs and wires, coil, seat and dash. Steering wheel, floor shift, gauges, windshield washer system, starter, water pump, repaired battery tray. Complete rewire kit, tires, complete brake job, rear end gears, 3.03. Rear axle bearings and seals, muffler, glove box. Number 8. Plymouth Sport Fury. 1967 year of issue. You are looking at a 1967 Plymouth Fury convertible. This is a V8 car with automatic transmission and a newish, very nice top. The car has a little damage on the front passenger side. I feel that my price of $9,500 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one with the potential that this vehicle has.